How are you, boys and girls? Hope you're keeping safe and staying healthy. In today's Afrikaans lesson, I will be teaching you meervoud. Meer means more. So if we say meer as een, it means more than one. In English, we call this plural. Meer as een means more than one. So most Afrikaans words end in E. The first, I'll give you an example. For example, een book, one book, twee boeke. So we're going to add an E at the end. Een hand, one hand, twee. Can you give me the answer? Yes, hande. Okay, so we've got boeke and hande, and there are many, many more examples. But what we're going to do now, I'm going to discuss the two basic rules in Afrikaans for meervoud. So we're going to talk about our first basic rule. Our first basic rule is actually quite simple. If it is a short emphasized vowels, and our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, so I, O, and A, same as English. So for example, if we have a short emphasized vowel in a word like cut, this word is cut, it's not cut, so it's cut. That's why we say short emphasized vowel. What we do is we take the consonant, remember all the letters of the alphabets except these 5 which are called vowels, those are called consonants. We double the consonants, so it's kata. Let's do another example. Kop. Kop means head, we've done this before. Can you see the short sounding vowel in that word? Kop. And where's the consonant? Yes, it's the P. So it would be koppa. So what did we do here? We doubled our consonants and then we added the E. Let's see if you can do the next example. Blom. Blom means a flower. So we have our consonant there. We have our vowel. Where's the consonant? It's the M. So what's the rule? Double the consonant and add the E. So blom, flower, een blom, baie, many blomme, flowers. Okay. We're now going to discuss the second basic rule. Again, boys and girls, this is not difficult, it's easy. In the second basic rule, what we're going to do is we are going to drop off one of the vowels, but first we'll speak about the twin vowels. So in the second rule, you will see what we call twin vowels. Twin vowels are vowels that you will find next to each other. So if you look at the example I've written, you've got een been. Been we know means leg. These are body parts we've gone through already. Een been, one of the vowels falls off and we add the E. So it will be bene. Let's do another example. Let's do twin. Twin means toe, a toe. Een twin, tin, twinne. So what is the rule? One of the twin vowels falls away and you add the E. So it will be twinne. Let's see if you can do the next example. Let's do one with the oor sound again. Boom. Boom means a tree. So what is the rule, boys and girls? One of the twin vowels drops or falls away and you add the E. So it's bome. Let's do aap. Aap means monkey. What happens there? One vowel drops away and we add the E. So it becomes apa. Shall we do one more? Skaap means sheep. What is the rule? One of the vowels falls away and add the E. So what is the answer? Skape. Een skaap, baie skape. Did you understand the second rule? Good. Now, boys and girls, we are going to discuss the exceptions. As in English, we have exceptions to the rule. We do in Afrikaans as well. So I'm going to write down the word oog. Now, we know oog means eye. Een oog, we cannot say twee oge. It doesn't sound right. These are words you will just have to learn. So if it's oog, what happens is we learn a new way of writing. The plural for eye is oor. And then we've got Elleboog. Elleboog. Elleboog means elbow. Okay, so it has nothing to do with oor, but you see the same spelling there in elleboog, elbow. So you can use the same principle as this one. So elleboog will become elleboog, and you must not forget to put your 2 dots at the top. Let's do another one where you'll have to simply learn the rule, as these are exceptions. Knie, een knie. Knie means knee. Twee knieë. Now watch what I'm doing here. You add a e and you put the 2 dots. So please learn the spellings of these words as well. All right, and then finally we have simply adding an s to any word. Finally, we have the rule as in English where we add an s to any word. So if we look at some examples, let's take the word finger. Een vinger, 1 finger. 10 fingers. Een arm is your arm. This becomes 2 arms. Remember, boys and girls, we cannot say arme because arme means poor in Afrikaans. Doesn't sound right. If we're doing plural, 1 arm, 2 arms, een arm, 2 arms. The same with skouer. Een skouer means shoulder. 2, can you give me the answer? Yes, skouers. We just add the s. And we have many more examples. For example, een seun, 2 seuns. And we can give you many more examples where the word takes on the s. Okay, boys and girls, we are now going to look at the worksheet that will be uploaded for you to complete. But I just want to refer to it so that you can understand what to do. Okay, the first one is een oog, maar 2. And we did discuss this already. Can you guess the answer? Yes, it's oor. So if you can repeat, een oor. Oor means ear, maar 2 ore. Een arm, maar 2. And of course, all the answers are at the bottom. So I'd like to if you could just repeat these words after me. These are the plural words. These are 1 and 2. Een oog, maar 2 ore. Can you just repeat after me? Bene, tande is teeth, tone, hande, voete, knieë, vingers, wange, elleboe, koppe, arms, skouers, oë en ore. Okay, I hope all of you understood the basic rules for meervoute in Afrikaans, and I'm sure you're going to find the worksheet much easier. And looking forward to our next lesson.